Okay, we're here for the lashes. Oh my god, who is she? She's pretty. What's up, everybody? My name is Carmina Kae, and if you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join the winning team. Do you like that? Because I just made it up. Okay, guys, I know I've been gone for a minute, and I do apologize for that. I just had finals, work, and take care of some priorities. But today, we're going to be going to Target. We're actually right here, and we're going to be picking out some eyelashes. And I have done no research on what eyelashes to pick. I'm just gonna kind of go with the flow and maybe pick up some other goodies. I'm so scared, you guys. Sorry, you guys, if you guys are a little bit rocky. Where should we pick first? Ooh, these are new. I've never seen these. House of Lashes at Target? I didn't know that. How much are these? $12. That's pretty expensive. But I don't know, maybe I'll get them. And I know their lash glue is pretty good. Magnetic eyeliner and lash system. You know, I have really like oh, these look cool. 15-hour wear, seconds to apply. Was pre-glued? Huh. You know, guys, I like the more like natural wispy look because I just have smaller eyes, but I feel like I always play it safe. These are really pretty right here. Those are really nice. Ardell, everything looks so nice. I don't know which one to pick or how many to pick. Okay, I'll get back to you guys when I make my decision. As much as that one. $4.99. Awesome. Honestly, I think all of these are just hopefully under $5. We'll find out at my house, but these are the ones that I got. Eyelure Definition. Double up. I wanted to choose like single ones and not packages because if I didn't like it, I didn't want to get like a whole pack. And these are all eyelashes I have not worn yet, so these are kind of like first impressions. I'm really excited for like the Naked Lashes. Just to let you guys know, I'm a college student and I am trying to give you guys really good content without going broke. So my budget for this shopping trip was $50. I spent $61. I'm not mad that I spent $10 over because I got 3 additional items I wasn't really going to buy. I wasn't really planning on buying. Okay, it's the next day and I have some makeup on so you guys can know what the full look would be like with the eyelashes on. Don't mind the lighting right now and my makeup because I woke up super late and I just really slapped on this makeup. So if you see any flaws, I mean, we're here for the lashes, okay? We're here for the lashes. So let's get into it. What eyelashes should we try on first? Do dramatic right away. Eyelure London Definition. And we're gonna do these lashes and it comes with a little glue. That's cute. I believe I have, oh yes. Okay, so I have their eyelash glue in black. And then I also have this duo glue, the green one. I think I might just use the duo glue because that's just what I'm used to. Whew, she's pretty. I did like more of a dramatic eyeliner today because on camera it looks a lot better, but I wouldn't really elongate it that much. Just kidding, I would. Don't mind the makeup on the shirt. Put left and right on there because if you're like me, I don't know which one is which. Came off really easily, and it's, as I'm touching it, it's sticky. It's not pre-glued, so that's good. I actually really like them. Usually I don't like eyelashes that look like this just because I feel like they take up my whole eye. But in person, I feel like it looks a lot less dramatic than it does on camera. Oh, this is pretty. Realized I didn't even put on mascara. The hell? That's how you know I'm in a rush. Okay, let's just curl this side. The band is really thick. Like, I love a thick band because then it like easily blends into my eyeliner. Oh. Now, like, just looking at these ones, I know that I'm gonna be really excited for all the other ones too to try on. Oh my god, who is she? Who is she? I don't know if you guys can see, but this eye is a lot more down than this eye, and I curled this eye, so obviously that's why. So I guess you could see two different eyelash versions. I didn't really want to make the eyelashes go all the way down here because one, that would make me really annoyed, and two, I just like, it doesn't look, I don't think it would look cute on me because this is already a lot. Don't mind my pimples. I love them. They're so cute. I don't want to take these off. What would I rate you? What would I rate you? 10. Rate these like a 6. Ugh. I guess I'm a hard grader, but like, yeah, it's a 6 for me. They're cute. I don't think they're too overwhelming for my eye. I do the Double Up by Ardell. These are the double wispies. I know a lot of people, when they first came out, they were super popular. They're very wispy. I love the wispy look. These are not as curved, more flat or straight, which is good because I guess you could like put it to your eye shape. Just got done putting on the Double Up eyelashes, and really I think this would be a perfect like dramatic everyday eye look, if that makes any sense. As I said before, I did more of like a thicker, longer eyeliner, and that's why it's not really picking up on camera, but they are very wispy. The subtleness gives it such like a girly vibe, so I definitely like these better. I think I would rate these like an 8. These are definitely ones that I would pick up again. Next up is the Ardell Fox Minx Wispies. I already took it out of the packaging. And these look a lot longer. Just touching this Minx one, it's a lot lighter and it's a lot thinner. It does come with the band like already pre-glued. This one actually is not black, it's white. And yeah, it's very thin. Noticing with the Ardell lashes, I don't need to cut these. I feel like they are more my length of an eye, where it's not like too much. But it is covering literally from like here to like all the way over here. Not all the way over here, but right here. So, I mean, that's good. I don't have to do that extra step. So I'm noticing that there's the white band still. I should have used black black glue for this, my other eyelash glue, but I mean, we're already here. Just put on my black one too, even though I just put on my white one. These surprised me. I thought these were gonna be a lot like dramatic. It says the word mink. I'm thinking like mink is like extravagant, you know what I mean? I'm just being impatient. Okay, next. So this is the Naked Lashes, and this is in the style 421. Okay, just from the box, this looks like more of eyelashes that like I would wear on an everyday basis. But there's not really like a fan effect from like smallest to like longest eyelashes, so they're kind of just all the same length, but it's so cute. Definitely are super natural, and I thought I was gonna love these. I really thought I was gonna love these. And I mean, I think honestly you could wear these with like no eyeliner and it would look bomb. That would be more of a look than eyeliner, this thick of an eyeliner, and putting on these specific eyelashes. And I'm gonna do is the Eyelure London Dramatic 3D Lash. Again, it comes with that little eyelash glue. And let's see how they look on my face. Super thick band. I thought that these were going to be the ones that made me go, wow, because dramatic 3D, right? I want to say that they are like layered wispies. Like we have some long wispies and then we have some medium ones, and it kind of gets darker and darker as it gets to the base of the eyelash, but they're just fluffier. I don't really think that they're like it, if you know what I mean. I would rate these a 7. I don't know how much these were, but I know these were probably like more expensive than all the other eyelashes, but I wouldn't be purchasing these again. I don't think they suit my style. My rating on these eyelashes, I think I'll give them a 9, because when I was looking at the video, I really liked how they looked on me. They looked really natural, even though they were very fluffy. And yeah, that's my changed rating. We're just changing the ratings. The ratings will be at the end of the video. Eyelashes that I'm gonna try on, the Ardell Naked Lashes in 422. These are a lot longer than the other eyelashes, and they're a lot more wispier and like separated. So yeah, I'm excited to try these on. These are the last pair of eyelashes. So it came off really nice. It is curved, which is always good. Okay, so these I applied right at the baseline, and they came out so natural looking. I really like these. These I'm gonna give a 7. I'm so glad I tried these on, because I thought I wasn't gonna like them, because the previous ones I tried on, the other style, I really didn't like them too much. But these ones, oh my gosh, I really like these. They're super cute. Follow me on all social media, and like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below, what was your favorite pair of eyelashes, and which one did you think was a 10? Which one did you like the least? And let me know if you just overall liked this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.